right in the heart of France and surrounded by vineyards, lived, in a 1,000-year-old abbey, a French students' team named Cast and Bezins. These rebel students chose to create a Halligan bar that represent their tradition. They have no choice but to face the schools of the Galactic Empire of America.
America, land of freedom, opportunity, and liberty. A beacon to the world, a place where dreams are born and the impossible becomes a reality. But it wasn't always like this. The land of freedom was once divided, struggling under the weight of tyranny. A revolution was needed. The call to arms was answered. At the heart of this struggle stood a man, George Washington, a leader, a soldier, and the hope of a new nation. But even then, a great leader needs the right tools. In this fight for freedom, the sword became a symbol of leadership, strength, and resolve. A sword that would help carve the path to liberty, a symbol of the sacrifices made for a nation's triumph. This is more than just a weapon, it's a legacy, a reminder of the bloodshed and bravery that created this land of freedom, for victory, for America.
We are the Big Bar Club, and this is the Love Handle.
Lieutenant Schultz, Engine 37, and this is the Love Handle. Go ahead. Hit. Drive. Just drive it. Going. All right, stop. Capture it. You got it? Hold it in there? Yep. All right, release it. Hit. Yep. All right, one more.
Drive.
Yep.
This fell out of the back of the truck. Looks pretty important. $5 and it's yours.
Let me take a look at that. Well, it is fairly impressive, but I don't know if I can do $5. I think best I can do is about $3.50.
Darn. All right, man. It's yours.
All right. I know just who to call.
Oh, say, can you see my...
Hello? This is George Washington speaking.
Hey, Georgie W. This is Dave.
Oh, hey, man. How's it going?
So I just got a sword with your name on it.
With my name on it?
Yeah, it's got some engravings, you stabbing a lion and unicorns. Pretty naughty stuff.
Hold on. Say no more. Is this the alt presentation broadsword by any chance?
Yeah, I think it is. How'd you know?
Man, I already got one. It's on my desk at home.
Well, what's it doing in my shop then?
Oh, well, you know, I hear that these students at Pitt State, they've been making replicas of it. Something about a competition or something.
That's some pretty hard stuff.
Yeah, it's really impressive. They've been doing a lot of etching with it, doing a lot of grinding. You know, I hear that they're all casted.
Cast? Really?
Yeah, but, you know, I've already got one. You can keep it for yourself, alright?
Alright, thank you, man.
No problem. You know, I really get this be going. I don't think this is Delaware.
Fire, a dangerous element that can transform buildings into deadly labyrinths of smoke and heat. Nothing survives. For firefighters, who must brave the flames to save the souls trapped inside, having the right tools is the difference between living and dying. Introducing Born in the 3,000-degree fires of molten 4130 steel, the Hero Bar is expertly cast for durability. Diamond-textured grip ensures that firefighters can wield the bar confidently, with no slip.
Built-in gap and set lines provide a reliable reference for setting the tool, ensuring no valuable time is wasted. Perfectly squared hammering surfaces ensure that firefighters can set the bar in the tightest of spaces. The serrated working surfaces of the fork and adze prevent the bar from slipping under leverage, ensuring firefighters open the door the first time, every time. The Hero Bar, for real heroes. But how was the Hero Bar designed? Meet the designers. The team plans their attack using a Gantt chart and subdivides the project into 5 phases. In the first phase, the team defines requirements that the bar must satisfy to guarantee a quality product. During the measure phase, the team conducts meticulous research and determine what features make a Halligan bar effective. During the analyze phase, the team performs an FMEA analysis to select a superior alloy, creates a parametric computer model of the bar, simulates loads, designs the gating system, simulates casting solidification, and designs the mold and coring. The improve phase includes casting the bar and post-processing. Finally, during the control phase, the team tests the bar to verify that it satisfies all requirements.
Down in Russell Hall, where the furnace glows, pouring pioneers with molten flows. In a sea of fire, they cast their dream, a blade of honor, sharp and clean. In the classroom, minds are bright, a broads work strong for George to wield. Through every line, the past is healed. In solid works, we craft the blade. George's sword will bring to you magma runs. We test the cast from Washington's hand. The legacy will last. As the metal flows, we look within. Thermal gradients ensure no compromises. Sanding smooth, the mold takes shape. Next, the wax takes the fragrance place. Duct tape the base and seal it tight. Slurry leaks would ruin the mold's true might. We've got the wax, a perfect sword. Now it's time to make it more. Dip it in the slurry coat with zircon sand. Silicone clings, let the molding begin. In the ring of fire, we let it burn. Heat and flame, they twist and churn. The shells stand strong, the wax runs free. A perfect mold just waiting to be. With 5160 steel so bold, they cast a sword with a story to be told. Ceramic molds, they stand in line. Heat from the furnace, the perfect sign. Outside they're heated and fires embrace, ready for the pour to take their place. The kiln burns bright, the molds take heat, prepping for the molten steel's fierce beat. Inside they're laid on the cart with care. The steel will pour, sparks fill the air. Eco brass, so fine and true, filling the mold as the riser grew with care. We watch, careful not to let it overflow. The cast is done, a sword is born, but the work's not done. From the riser it's torn. Sparks fly, the edge is smooth. The sword takes form with every move. 2 kills stacked high, building the frame. Stainless steel tubes, set in the game. Argon bubbling in the bed. Heat flows steady, the steel's well kept. Assemble the furnace, steady and true. A perfect heat treatment coming through. At 1525, the steel's ready to rise. Austenitized blade under fire's eyes. A hiss and a splash, the metal bites into the oil through the quenching night. But the blade's not perfect, it's still got got a twist.